Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
Rahul ji, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri who introduced him
Mr. Chair,
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who
आप जो
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है सर.
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता. और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए. A member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its subject. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें. Point out किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी.
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्हें प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए. It is completely against the rule.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए. उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूं. आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so, notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record. Now you can speak.
1 minute,
no.
Sir, 1
you
minute.
have made allegation. You have made allegation
agree, sir.
that will not go on the record. This is mine.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 353.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister. 2 former Prime Ministers. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industries.
To explain whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. You are mentioning it. If any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul ji.
So I will tell you what.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे हैं बाहर? You were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
and I
Speaker,
don't know
sir.
why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member, so I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना, ये भी कार्रवाई हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Ji. Selja is also for...
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this is
we know we have fondness for you.
Speaker,
you are an ex-member of our party,
absolutely.
so I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no? But
we are fond of you, sir. We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we know your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know your
बात
heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते. आप अगर if you are sitting there, तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. You should move on correct track.